Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to update Suncorp mobile banking application on your device. For that, first of all, launch App Store on your device. Then, at the bottom right corner, you'll see search icon, tap on it. Here on the search bar, search for Suncorp mobile banking. Find the app labeled with Suncorp Bank App and go through it. Here, if you see update button instead of open, that means your application needs to get updated. Simply tap on the update button, then after a few minutes your application will be updated to the latest version. In my case, as you can see, there is open button as I am using the latest version of this application. In this way, you can easily update the application. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.